Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Samsung's Linear Wash and StormWash dishwasher technologies. We'll dive into the innovative ways each system tackles dirty dishes, highlighting their core functionalities and what makes them stand out. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which cleaning powerhouse aligns best with your household's demands, ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. Let's explore these advanced washing methods to help you make an informed decision for your home. Samsung's Linear Wash system, sometimes called WaterWall, is designed for comprehensive edge-to-edge cleaning. It features a unique sliding spray bar that moves in a linear motion, creating a powerful wall of water to reach every corner of your dishwasher. 4 This ensures incredibly even water distribution, leaving no dish untouched. 25+, many linear wash models boast whisper-quiet operation, often as low as 39 dBA, making them perfect for open-concept living spaces where noise is a concern. 17. When it comes to tackling the toughest messes, Samsung's StormWash technology is a true powerhouse. This system employs powerful, rotating spray jets, often concentrated in a specific zone, to blast away baked-on food and grease. 6 StormWash Plus takes it a step further with 360-degree rotating nozzles and dual wash arms for even more intense cleaning. 9 It's specifically designed for heavily soiled pots and pans, meaning you can skip the pre-rinsing and let your dishwasher do all the hard work. 6 So, which Samsung wash system is better for you? If your priority is quiet operation and consistent, thorough cleaning for everyday loads and a variety of dishes, Linear Wash with its sweeping wall of water is an excellent choice. 25 However, if you often deal with heavily soiled pots, pans, or baked-on food and want to avoid pre-rinsing, StormWash's powerful, concentrated jets are designed to handle those tough challenges. 14 Both offer advanced cleaning, but cater to slightly different needs, so consider your typical dishwashing habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.